Quality Signs and Designs, 775-537-5575.
In this week's court report, a sentencing hearing and probation violation hearing are held for John Kennedy Ming. That defendant was facing the formal district court charge of possession of a controlled substance. And during Ming's sentencing, the defendant addressed the court and mentioned an additional case that he has that's still pending adjudication. And the court sentenced Ming to 19 to 48 months in prison, suspended to probation, with credit for time served of 75 days. The court states that Ming is to be released to probation in this matter, but is to remain in custody in his other case matter. So Ming's request for an OR release was denied. Then on April 29th, during a district court probation violation hearing, Ming confirms admission of his drug violation, and his probation was reinstated. There was credit for time served, and an added condition of inpatient treatment is noted. Then finally, Ming was remanded to the custody of Nye County Detention Center pending bed availability, and he was remanded back to custody. Notably, Ming was arrested back in July 2018 for reportedly selling a Connex building with floor tile inside. He was taken into custody on the charges of possession of stolen property and obtaining money under false pretense. The Nye County inmate who had a warrant out for his arrest from the Pahrump Justice Court and was arrested after being located in the front office of the Nye County Sheriff's Office currently has 2 open cases in Justice Court and is scheduled for a pretrial hearing next month. Richard E. Cleaves is now facing the formal charges of burglary, first offense, and injury to other property in his first case, and unlawful trespass upon land, and another separate count of injury to other property in his second Justice Court case. Those charges are connected to an incident that is said to have occurred on April 2nd, 2019. Notably, also back in April, a warrant of arrest was issued and Cleaves's bail was set at $15,000 cash or $30,000 bond with nationwide parameters. During Cleaves's arraignment hearing, Judge Lisa Shambly disclosed to case parties that she previously presided on an unrelated civil matter that involved the defendant. The judge advised, though, that she can remain fair and impartial in this case and inquired if any party had any objection to her remaining on this case. Neither side objected. Cleaves was given a copy of the complaint against him. Then he was advised of his rights, the charges against him, and procedures. Cleaves's then attorney, Carl Jogger, waived formal reading of the complaint. Cleaves waived his right to a speedy trial. Finally, waiver of the 15-day rule was executed in open court, and the court set pretrial hearing for August 29th. Now, notably, as of July 3rd, attorney Ronnie Boscovich has replaced attorney Jogger as public defender and counsel for Cleaves. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 25.